Take a packet of Blazin, put it in boiling water and bring the noodles to boil. These noodles are very spicy, so in this method we'll try to pacify the heat. We are going to put aside the taste maker for a while. Take some butter and put it in pan. Heat it on low flame. Now add some milk to it. Make sure to do it on a low flame. Here we are making a white sauce. Now take the taste maker and add it to the milk and butter. Mix it well. You can add other herbs if you want, or some more spice if you like, but that should be enough. Now take the boiled noodles and mix it in this sauce. Make sure all the noodles are covered in the sauce, and there you go. Your noodles are ready. Pour it in a bowl and enjoy.